Each of our handmade shoes is created from the cast of a foot. Based on this cast, our designers create a model of the shoe. Which is then transferred onto cardboard. Templates for the various parts of the shoe's upper are then cut out of the cardboard. Now it is time to choose the material for the shoe's upper. The most popular material is calfskin, but other materials such as lizard skin, crocodile leather, stingray skin, python skin, crocodile leather, Cordova leather, lizard skin, and ostrich leather are also popular choices. All of these materials have been produced in accordance with international regulations to meet the highest quality standards. Tracing around the cardboard templates, the various parts of the shoe's upper are cut from the leather of the customer's choice. decorative patterns are punched into the leather. And the various pieces are then fitted and stitched together to form the shoe's upper. After the upper has been assembled, it is fitted over the cast, which will give the finished shoe its form. It takes 2 days for the upper to absorb the shape of the cast. Once the upper has been fitted over the cast, it is sewn to the shoe's inner sole using the Goodyear Welted technique. A layer of cork is glued to the bottom of the shoe, providing both comfort and insulation. The cork layer is shaved to fit snugly into the sole of the shoe. And any excess leather is trimmed away. The shoe's outer sole is stamped out of stout leather using a machine press. The stout leather we use for the outer sole of our Paul Parkman shoes is of the highest quality, durable and strong. The outer sole is attached to the shoe, and again, any excess material is trimmed off. Channels are cut into the shoe's sole to facilitate the sewing process. Then the sole is moistened. And sewn to the shoe's upper, again using the Goodyear welt stitch. Our in-house artists are happy to decorate the sole according to our customers' wishes. The shoe's heel, made from layers of stout leather, is first trimmed to fit the shape of the sole and then attached to the sole itself. The heel and sole are trimmed and adjusted one last time. And decorated by hand. The sole is coated with a single layer of primer. To limit any wear and tear, and also for decorative purposes, small nails are knocked into the sole. Now that the shoe has been assembled, we can begin the dyeing process. All our dyes are organically produced and contain no harmful chemicals. Like the choice of material, the choice of the shoe's color is completely up to our customers. Any color is possible. An insole with the company logo is fitted inside each shoe. Finally, the shoes are polished with natural wax to increase the brilliance of the color. The finished shoes are carefully checked once more. Before being packaged and dispatched to our customers. We also produce belts and bags in the shoe's color as accessories. All of our shoe models may be seen on our website, www.paulparkman.com. We accept orders from all over the world. In most cases, the finished shoe will be delivered within 15 days of an order being placed.